Hello everybody, I've got my Samsung laptop, my Samsung S9 tablet, and my Z Fold phone. I'm going to show you guys how to do Xbox gaming from all of these, and also how to play your favorite games from other platforms like Steam. Stay tuned. So a lot of people are aware you can do Xbox cloud gaming from your laptop. All you have to do is connect your controller, open up your game, and it says controller not detected. It's looking for the detection. So all I do is click a button on my controller, starts the game immediately. And then I can go in and I can play any of my Xbox games that I've purchased, or if you have the pass, you can play any of the games that are associated with that pass. I love Spyro. I've loved it since I was little. Brings me back to my childhood. I am going to turn the volume down a tad. So, and it saves your game. You just go in and to your save slot and you continue on where you left off. And you can play any game that your device is able to handle. Whether or not you'll be able to play smoothly will depend on if your device can handle the game. And to exit, you just go over here to the corner, hit the little Xbox logo, quick game, and you can browse and go into a different game. And you don't have to download it, you just play. And you can also do this on your tablet or your phone, like if you want to have a game on your phone. You go into your browser and see Xbox Cloud Gaming, and you can play your games here. All you have to do is connect your controller. Watch. I'll show you. You can do it right from the browser. Pop it in the controller. Turn it into a little handheld thing. Or you can play it sitting up and connect it to one of the controller like this. See? No downloading or anything. You can just play online. I'm not sure if PlayStation does the exact same thing, but I know Xbox does, and there's another app I'm going to show you where you can do stream games. But there's my saved game. I can go in here straight from the Google Chrome web browser. It's not even an app on your phone, it's just your browser. And you can go in and play your games. Now, the very first time you open this up, it will pop up top to download the app, which you can do. It's optional to play. It shows up in your apps like this. Xbox Cloud Gaming. It looks the same. You can play this way as well. You can play through your app. Here, when I open it up on my tablet, it says Xbox Cloud Gaming. If you click install, it will start downloading the app. I didn't have the app installed on my tablets, so I was able to show you guys that. So that's how to do Xbox Cloud Gaming, and you can literally play almost anything this way. But I'm going to show you guys another app where I play different games. Okay, so I also have Epic Games on here where there's an Epic Game Store. It's limited to what they offer for games for mobile, but there is things like Fortnite and Fall Guys and stuff like that. See, there's Fortnite. I have it downloaded. The Z Fold 7 plays Fortnite really well for a mobile device. So there is another way to play some games. You cannot find the Epic Game Store through the Play Store, I believe. I had to download it from the browser. In the Play Store, you can find the app GeForce NOW Cloud Gaming. Open that up, and you can play games through here. Like when you click on one, yeah, that one's for the Epic Game Store. It knows I have it, so that's how I would play that one. But like I go into Spyro here, I can click play and it's going to launch Xbox Cloud Gaming through this. And this is free, but if you have the free version, there's a little bit of a wait time and it puts you on a 1 hour time limit. There is a paid version, it's like $9 where you can get no wait time, no ads, and unlimited time. So if I went into here, this is the different stores that are available through here. Ubisoft Connect, Steam, and Xbox. You can use one of these three. There's actually a Steam app that you can go to. I think I have that on my phone actually. Yes, there's a Steam app where you can go and purchase games. You can go over to the GeForce experience and then look for the said game. You might want to look into like the paid version of the GeForce experience. It's under $10 where you can stream without being put in a queue. There's no time limit. You can stream for hours and there's no ads while you're in the queue to watch. So you might want to look into that. I was doing the GeForce Experience app, and when I was playing Spyro, I realized that it opened me up through Xbox Cloud Gaming. So I went and looked and seen if it was possible to play right through Xbox Cloud Gaming, and you can. And I'm able to do it from all my devices. You just go into the browser, you can download the app, or you can play right in the browser, and you can play all kinds of games. It is very important that you have a very good internet connection to play this way, but the games don't take up space on your device. It's all saved through the cloud. As long as you have a good Wi-Fi connection, you can play really well. And I've ran screen recorders as I played, and it runs it fine. It runs it really well. And this, I've tested out Fortnite through Epic Game, and the Z Fold runs it phenomenal for a mobile device. My Z Fold phone runs it better than my S9 tablet. So if I was going to play Fortnite on mobile, I would play it on my phone before I would play it on my tablet. I haven't tested it with cloud gaming on my laptop yet. So that's something to test out in the future. Bigger games. Right now I'm just playing Spyro and Stardew Valley. Simple games that I can play that doesn't take a lot of my time. I can play for 20 minutes or I can play for an hour depending on how my day's going. But it's just a good way to unwind after a busy day. And it's not like the other games where they demand I tune in and click on things every day. So it's just play whenever I have the time. Sometimes I don't check into my Stardew Valley account for like 2 months if it's super, super busy. So, but that is how to play games that aren't available on the mobile apps on your mobile devices. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want me to try a game on the channel and test it out and see if it's playable, let me know down in the comments and I will try to test out that for a future video. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye for now.